Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? By the way, this is Mommy France, ang inyong simpleng mommy from Naga City. So for today's video, I'll be sharing some random scenes during the morning in our garden. So by the way, this was last Sunday. So medyo late na kami nagising, but tingnan nyo naman, it's a foggy morning. Actually, I'm cooking breakfast already that time. Pero nung nakita kong talagang fog in the morning, so lumabas ako just to take some videos to share with you guys. Prior to this, sobrang maulan yung week. And then, ayan, nagpakita na si Mr. Sun. And, tara, it's a foggy morning. What I really love about this is you would appreciate slow moments in your life. Reality speaking, sobrang chaotic na talaga ngayon ang mundo. Maingay, maraming tao, the sound of traffic. So living in a city wherein you would feel you're not in a city at all is really a blessing for us. So in the morning, we are every day greeted by morning sun. We have fresh air here. And of course, we have good sceneries of plants and flowers. This is one of the things I am appreciative about. But I'm not saying na hindi magandang tumira sa city. So I stayed in the city for almost 5 years wherein I can see everyday tall buildings, talaga maingay yung mga sasakyan. And basically noon, I just wanted to live in a city kasi nandoon yung magandang trabaho, I can see a lot of buildings, noisy yung place. I see progress in it. But this time, maybe as I grow older, I realized na mas nagugustuhan ko na yung slow living, yung slow life lang. But at the same time, kailangan pa rin magtrabaho kasi we need money, we need to move, and basically, we have a family to support. Well, anyway, kahit ano naman yung option or choice natin, it will really depend on us. So what's important, we are happy, we live peacefully, and we are healthy. So ayan, ang dami ko na naman na share. But anyway, these are just some reflections I have today and just want to share them with you guys. So ayan na, I just wanted to wish everyone a happy day ahead. Stay safe and stay grounded. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more.